This is a letter to myself. A reminder to do something simple. Disconnect. Sometimes we get caught in the rush of the city life, the noise, the endless crowds, or our daily routine. Sometimes we don't make time for ourselves. The little kid who used to play outdoors. Sometimes we need to take a moment to escape. Feel the fresh breeze. Listen to the rustle of the leaf. And see wide open skies. To disconnect. To connect with what truly matters. To just feel. In nature, we gain new perspective. We find balance. We recharge our minds, refresh our spirits, and gain a new sight. It's not just a break. It's a reset. A chance to breathe deeply and feel alive again. Sometimes we really need those days.